Hello everyone. Now I am starting with column from examples. Column from examples feature in Power Query allows you to create new columns in your dataset by providing examples of the desired output. This feature is particularly useful when you want to transform or derive new columns based on patterns or specific values present in your data. Then next, the custom column feature in Power Query allows users to create new calculated columns based on custom formulas or expressions. It enables users to perform data transformations and enrich their dataset by adding calculated values derived from existing columns or other data sources. Then next, invoke custom column. This feature allows you to invoke, or call, a custom function or script to generate values for a new column based on the existing data in your dataset. It's useful when you need to apply a complex calculation or transformation logic that isn't covered by the built-in Power Query functions. Usage: you typically use invoke custom column when you have specific business logic or transformation requirements that can't be achieved using standard Power Query functions. You define a custom function or script, either in Power Query M language or another supported scripting language, and then invoke it within the Power Query editor to create new columns in your dataset. Then next, conditional column. Conditional columns allow you to create new columns in your dataset based on specified conditions. You define one or more conditions, along with corresponding values or expressions, and Power BI creates a new column that applies these conditions to each row in your dataset. Usage: conditional columns are handy when you need to categorize or flag data based on certain criteria. For example, you might create a conditional column to categorize sales transactions as high, medium, or low based on their transaction amounts. This feature simplifies data categorization and enables you to perform analysis based on these categories. Then next, index column. Index columns are automatically generated sequential numbers assigned to each row in your dataset. They provide a unique identifier for each row, which can be useful for referencing or sorting data. Index columns can be generated starting from any specified number and can be incremented by a custom step value. Usage: index columns are commonly used for sorting, filtering, or referencing rows within your dataset. For example, you might use an index column to sort your data chronologically or to uniquely identify each record in your dataset. Index columns can also be helpful when merging or. Then next, duplicate column. It will duplicate the columns. So, now you can observe how this are working. And do it with sample data.